Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS DynamoDB, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. Once logged in, search for DynamoDB in the service search bar at the top. Click on the DynamoDB service from the drop-down results. On the DynamoDB dashboard, locate the Get Started button if you do not have any existing tables. To create a new table, click on the Create Table button. Fill in the required fields, such as the table name and primary key attributes. Scroll down to the Table Settings section to configure any additional options as needed. After configuring your table, click on the Create button to finalize the creation process. Once your table is created, select it from the list to access its settings. In the Table Overview, look for the Streams tab located in the Tables menu. Enable DynamoDB Streams by clicking on the Enable button. Select the stream view type that suits your needs, such as new image or new and old images. After enabling the stream, be sure to configure the necessary permissions through AWS Identity and Access Management. Now, navigate to the AWS Lambda service to create a function that will respond to your Dynamo. Click on the Create Function button. Select Author from Scratch and fill in the function name and execution role. Under Function Code, write a basic function to process the stream events. Once completed, click Deploy to save your function. Return to your DynamoDB table and go to the Triggers section. Click on Create Trigger to associate your Lambda function with the DynamoDB stream. Select the Lambda function you've created and enable the trigger. You can start monitoring and processing stream events as they occur. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.